Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Lightroom edits occur in a high-precision internal working space, similar to Pro Photo RGB. This internal space preserves wide color gamut during adjustments and avoids clipping. You should calibrate your monitor with a hardware calibrator before serious color work. Calibration ensures on-screen colors approximate prints or client displays. Use the Develop module for edits and switch to soft proofing to simulate output profiles. Soft proofing previews a destination profile, rendering intent, and gamut warnings. Rely on camera raw conversion plus internal Pro Photo. Open the export dialog after finishing edits and choose file settings. In color space, select sRGB, Adobe RGB 1998, or Pro Photo RGB based on output needs. Choose image format, JPEG for web, TIFF or PSD for high-end print or retouching. For bit depth, pick 8-bit for web and 16-bit for print to preserve tonality. Set resolution to 300 ppi for most print labs and include specific dimensions if required. Always check Embed Color Profile to attach the chosen profile to the output file. Confirm rendering intent and export the finalized images. Choose sRGB for web and general client delivery to ensure consistent online viewing. Use Adobe RGB when sending files to labs that accept wider gamut print files. Keep master files in Pro Photo RGB if you plan heavy color grading or future retouching. Convert files to the target profile only at export and avoid repeated conversions between profiles. When printing, perform soft proofing with the lab profile and select a suitable rendering intent. Embed the profile and supply clear instructions to the lab for best color reproduction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.